Hello guys, in this quick overview I will show you how to backup your Mac in case you just can't start it. So of course if you can start your Mac and it's still working, you can use Time Machine. Just go to System Preferences, Time Machine, connect external drive, and then you can backup your Mac. But what to do if you just can't start your Mac? So I will show you.
As you can see at the moment this Mac just won't start. So I will just start a recovery mode, standard. So need to press power button and then Command R. And you need to hold it just after this sound on older Macs. And then the recovery mode should be enabled. And then, as I understand, you should be able to create a backup from your recovery mode. Then you will see something like that. So recovery mode started. Just select your language, click next. Then you should see this standard screen. So just select and go to this utility, continue. After that, so you need, if you don't see the option, you need to go to view, show all devices, and then file new image from, and then you select either this like Apple SSD or container disk. You can also just select Macintosh, but then it's grayed out, as you can see. So you can select probably parental disk. Then you can just select your external drive, format, select compressed, and just tap save. So there you have it.